This is the Oblong Hoops gear set. So it's a large gear set, but it's in 2 pieces, and it's just a whole bunch of oblongs. What do you want to do with an oblong? Well, this is called the Oblong Hoops gear set because it pairs with all the hoop pieces from the titular hoops gear set. I mean, obviously you have to use the right hoop, but then it fits like this, and you can do all of the techniques pioneered by the nested oblong gear set, where you put things in this hoop and you move it around, and then you can control how much you shift this hoop. All the oblong techniques can be done using these, and this has, you know, a whole whack of oblongs. Some features of this gear set is we've got 62 teeth on each of the rack linear pieces. There's counting marks every 3 and marking the middle point of symmetry. We've got the total tooth count of the oblong and its prime factors, and on the oblong hoops, let's see if we can see it here. Let's put this back in here. You've got the outer and the inner count and both the prime factors, and on the end here, all of the oblongs are marked with the size of hoop that needs to go in them. So well, let's grab the right one. There we go. And so that says 128. Let's put it the right way up. And this is a 128 hoop. Other cool things you can do with this, features I want to point out. I had to stop making oblongs somewhere going in. So we've got sort of a central eclair shape or ruler shape, and there are 3 gears in each of sort of interesting size, with the hopes that they will, let's just get this one out. So you could mark where you put this 18 gear, maybe hold it still somehow, piece of tape or putty, and then use this eclair and do a design, and then rotate it, put it back down and do a design. This would obviously be easier with this set of gears in this eclair because the 36 is actually large enough to easily be held still. Similarly, you can hold the hoop still and move the oblong around it, but that's just, you know, fancy nested oblong stuff. The main feature of this is it pairs with the hoops gear set and makes a lot of oblong opportunities. I'll do a video on what those techniques are coming up. I haven't made one of those yet. It's a really big topic. I'm really excited for this gear set.